Mango Sago is originally a popular Hong Kong style dessert and now it's trending all over social media. I finally tried it at home and trust me, it is worth the hype. It is creamy, fruity, refreshing, and perfect for warm weather. Since mango season is here, this is the best time to make it. First, let's make the coconut jelly. This needs time to set, so make it ahead of time if you can. In a small bowl, add 1/4 cup of coconut water. I'm using store-bought coconut water, but if you can get fresh coconut water, it tastes even better. Now sprinkle 1 packet of unflavored gelatin on top and let it bloom for 5 minutes. In a saucepan, add 1 and 3/4 cups of coconut water. The ratio I'm using here is 1 packet of gelatin for 2 cups of liquid. Warm the coconut water gently. Don't boil it. Now add the bloom gelatin and mix until it is fully dissolved. Pour this into a tray or dish. Cover it and refrigerate it for 3 to 4 hours until set. Next, let's cook the tapioca pulse. You can find this at any Asian grocery store. In India, we call them sabudana. I'm using a small tapioca pulse here. I'm using half a cup of tapioca pulse. For that, you can add 4 cups of water and bring it to boil. Add the tapioca pulse and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Keep stirring often because they can stick to the bottom very easily. Cook until you start seeing the pulse turns partially transparent. After 10 to 15 minutes, turn off the heat, cover the pot and let them sit for another 10 minutes. This helps the pearls cook through and become soft and translucent. Meanwhile, I'm soaking some chia seeds. This is optional, but I like adding it because it gives a nice texture and it is good for health too. Strain the tapioca pearls and rinse them well under cold running water. This removes the extra starch and keeps them from sticking together. Once cooked, they should look like soft, transparent pearls. We can also make this ahead and keep it in the refrigerator. Now let's make the mango puree. I'm using 4 ripe mangoes here. You can cut the mangoes into a grid patterns and scoop out the cubes. Or simply peel the skin and cut them into chunks. Do whatever is easier for you. Add the mango pieces to a blender with half a cup of milk and blend until smooth and creamy. Let's check the coconut jelly. Once it is fully set, cut it into small cubes and keep it ready. Look at that wobbly. This is my little one's all-time favorite. She gets so excited whenever I make jelly. Now it's time to bring everything together. In a big bowl, add the mango puree first. I like to add a splash of milk to the blender jar and rinse out all the remaining mango pulp so nothing goes to waste. Now add 1 full can of coconut milk. Soak chia seeds, cooked tapioca pearls, chopped mango pieces, and coconut jelly cubes. Finally, add 3 to 4 tablespoons condensed milk. If your mangoes are very sweet, you can reduce it or completely skip it for a healthier version. Add few ice cubes and gently mix everything together. If it feels too thick, add a splash of milk and adjust the consistency. And that's it. Creamy, refreshing summer mango sago is ready. Now let's serve it in a cup. Look at this. Sweet mangoes, soft tapioca pearls, wobbly coconut jelly, fresh mango pieces, and that creamy coconut milk base. This is definitely going to be one of my favorite summer desserts. It's creamy, cooling, fruity, and so fun with all the different textures. If you try this mango sago, let me know how it turned out and tell me in the comments what sago dessert should I try next. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.